So I don't know. I've got this, and I want to cut it in a cute little pixie. So we see this. This is the beginning result. I don't know if I like this color though. I want it to be more of a bright blonde. I want it to be more of a 613. But we're gonna see what we can do with it. I'm gonna cut it, use my little razor, style it to my liking, curl it because it's a human hair wig. I get it, so I can basically make it to what I want it to be. So we're gonna see what we can do and what we're gonna come out with it, y'all. So I'll show y'all the process. All right. Okay, my nice wig came in today. It's a cute pixie wig. It is a 1B27 wig. They gave me a stocking cap to come with the wig. The wig is from VRZ Beauty. This is VRZ Beauty. I ordered from Amazon, and it fits wonderfully. Fits perfect on the head. Got the regular specs. It's got the 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 in the front, and it's a nice comfortable wig. So let's look at the rest. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's see what we get ready to do. Okay. I got me a little razor comb. We're gonna hook this up.
I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space. I don't really need the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Tell me I can use a break, so it does my arms to wet. Cause we're way too much just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too much just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty, way too empty, oh. Take off, take it far and go. Can't be let it go. Way too much just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too much just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty, way too empty, way too empty, oh. Take off, take it far and go. Can't be let it I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space. I don't really need the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Tell me I can use a break, so it does my arms to wet. Cause we're way too much just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too much just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Tell me I can use a break, so it does my arms to wait. That's what way too many love just to fucking let go. That's what way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go. Way too many love just to fucking let go. There's way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go. I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space up. I don't really need the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Tell me I can use a break, so it does my arms to wait. That's what way too many love just to fucking let go. That's what way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go. Way too many love just to fucking let go. There's way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go. I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space up. I don't really need the pain, but I love to feel the pain. Tell me I can use a break, so it does my arms to wait. That's what way too many love just to fucking let go. That's what way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go. Way too many love just to fucking let go. There's way too many fucks just to cut and not go. Way too empty, way too empty. Oh, way too empty, way too empty. Oh, take it far, like oh, no, 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 can't be let it go.
Hey guys, this is the finishing look with my makeup and everything on, and I got this cute outfit. I'm gonna show it to you in just a minute, but this is a nice wig and a nice look. So let you guys see my outfit. Okay, just a second. Let me show you my outfit because it all comes together. And I got this cute outfit from ChicMe. So, yep. So let me show you. So I get this cute outfit from ChicMe, and I get these cute rain boots, y'all. They are so adorable. They are Tommy Hilfiger rain boots. I get them from Macys. And this cute little outfit I get from ChicMe. Yeah, it's too cute. And I get this cute little Gucci purse that I have to go with my outfit. But I think it's too cute. Back it up a little bit so you guys can see. Just too cute. Ask me. So I hope you guys like the whole look. Again, to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys like, if you like the hair or not. Like I said, I got it from Amazon, so definitely. And it's human hair, and I only paid $12.99 for this wig, y'all, from Amazon. $12.99. So until next time, y'all be blessed, like I said, and thank you so much for watching, and y'all be safe out there. All right, bye.